is a bar graph? A bar graph is a graph of parallel bars of varying lengths used to illustrate correlations in given data. How do we use a bar graph? First, we have to analyze the given data. Then from this data, we can draw a graph that illustrates the data. And then once we've drawn a graph, we can answer questions about the data using the graph. Here's a table of the given data. What are some of the things that we can see from the data listed on this chart? On the left is a list of countries, and on the right is a list of the corresponding years of male life expectancy in the year 2004. From the data in this chart, we must draw a bar graph that will illustrate the connections between each country and its male life expectancy in 2004. Here's a graph of the data. What are some of the things that we can see from this graph? The data listed on the left represents the life expectancy in years. Each bar represents a country, each corresponding to a different color shade, with Egypt corresponding to the bar furthest to the left and Russia corresponding to the bar furthest to the right. Above each bar is the exact number of years of male life expectancy for each country in the year 2004. For example, the U.S. has a male life expectancy of 74.1. We will use the data presented in the graph to answer the questions below. What was the male life expectancy in Japan? Well, as we can see, Japan is the fourth bar over. And if we look at the top, we can see that the male life expectancy was 77.5 years. Which country had the shortest male life expectancy? Clearly, the second bar has the shortest male life expectancy, and that corresponds to Nigeria. Which country has the longest male life expectancy? Well, from the bar graph, we can see that the one with the longest male life expectancy is the one that is 77.5 years, and that corresponds to Japan. What was the male life expectancy in Russia? Which one is Russia? Russia is the last bar on the graph. And if we look at the top, we can see that the male life expectancy was 59.9 years. And now we know how to utilize bar graphs and what they are.